Mobile phones and tablets are now increasingly a mainstream tool in today's business environment. R2's Needs Service mobile app is role-based, providing a simple, easy, intuitive, and fast path to specific operational information geared toward your project managers, warehouse, and service teams. Your service teams need reliable tools that help them to stay efficient, accurate, and responsive. Your inventory availability relies on knowing when unexpected shortages occur, such as equipment getting damaged or requiring mandatory service, and quickly gaining knowledge of that event to schedule a corrective service. When managing inventory and ensuring that assets are in top condition, every minute counts, and having the right information at your fingertips can make all the difference. That's why we're excited to introduce our new Service mobile application, a comprehensive solution designed to empower your project managers in the field, service managers, and inventory teams to take care of their work more efficiently on the go. With the Needs Service mobile app, users can quickly look up inventory details, assess the condition of items, and take immediate action if something's not right. Whether you're on the shop floor, at a client site, or in the warehouse, the app allows you to look up inventory, access detailed information about any item in your inventory instantly, ensuring that you always have the most up-to-date data, mark items as damaged, quickly flag any of your inventory as damaged, ensuring that the items are documented and addressed properly, create a work order. If an item requires repair or further action, you can easily generate a work order directly from the mobile app, and attach images and voice recordings to enhance your documentation by attaching photos, voice notes, and other comments to provide clear and detailed information that ensures no info is overlooked. The Needs Service mobile app is designed to be your all-in-one tool for managing inventory issues as they arise, giving you the power to take action in real time, all from the convenience of your mobile device. No more paperwork, no more delays, just a simple, intuitive interface that makes managing your assets easier than ever.
When I open the application, there are two search fields, one for item and one for order. There's also a configuration button. I'll start with the configuration at top right. The configuration screen has only a few options: your login credentials and a link to your server, and an option called Clear Order After Send. I'll turn this feature off if I'm flagging several items as damaged from the same order. Otherwise, I'll leave it on, so after I tag each item as damaged, it'll clear the order. Back to my landing page. The first option is for me to scan an item. R2 Needs Service accepts both a product ID or an asset ID. Scanning a serial item will always yield a hit. That is to say, R2 knows exactly where each asset is because its ID is unique. If the asset is on an order, R2 will advise of the order as well, else it will simply allow you to mark the asset as damaged and or create a work order for it. Regarding the order field, I'll enter an order number if I intend to scan a number of items as damaged, or I'll be scanning non-serial items. The Needs Service app does not require you to enter an order to find and mark a non-serial item as damaged, however. Here I will search for a non-serial XLR cable by typing in the product ID. You can see to the right of the item field, there's a barcode icon as well, which allows you to scan the item ID instead of typing it, but I'll go ahead and tap Go to search from here. At the top of the screen, you'll see that Needs Service has recognized the item I typed, and it's displayed the item's description and SKU. There's a quantity field, used for non-serial items only, that defaults to 1. In this configuration, I will mark a 25-foot XLR cable from my inventory as damaged. If the damaged cable is from an open order, however, I will tap on the stack of papers icon next to the Go button, or I'll simply enter the order ID that I want to search for here. In this case, there are only 3 open orders that have this non-serial item on it, so it's easy to tap on them to select it. Now that I've selected the first order, it's tagged onto the Needs Service screen along with the customer name. Next, I have a series of options. The selection of each will have a significant effect on what happens to that item next. Mark as damaged is the first, and this is enabled by default as it is one of the primary functions of the Needs Service app. Return to inventory. If the item is in your warehouse, turn this on. But if you're on site at a show, don't return it to inventory yet, as the equipment is not actually back in your warehouse. Mark is not available. It's possible to have an item that's damaged superficially and warrants repair, but doesn't impact the item's usability. You can keep an item marked as damaged, yet still leave it as available. And create a service ticket. Creating a service ticket marks the item as not available automatically, and a service work order is created. One of the core functions of the Needs Service app is to send an email notice to a central user or service staff upon marking an item as damaged or creating a work order. The email address associated with this function is defined with your user profile. Down below, there's a copy to field, which represents anyone additional to the default mail recipient. Take notes into the comments field to convey damage noticed or required service that's due. And optionally, take multiple photographs of the damaged equipment and a voice recording. Finally, tap Send for the last step or Cancel to roll things back. Now, if you've selected to create a work order, the comments, images, and recordings will be attached to the work order. If you didn't create one, an email will still be sent with the images and recording attachments along with your typed comments.